Hi everyone, today I'm connecting with you so that we can all connect more. Some of you may remember that back in 2014-15 I had a series called Your Origami Folds where I showed photos of models that you folded following one of my tutorials, and I thought that was absolutely fantastic. And I'd like to revive that idea, and for that I have decided to create a subreddit called our Happy Folding, where I encourage you to post your photos, and like that everyone can see your folds. Previously some people sent me emails, but then it's just between you and me, and isn't it so much nicer when you can share it with the world? Of course, some of you are already posting your photos on Facebook or Instagram or Flickr or other similar sites, or even your own websites, but that means all of the photos are kind of in all sorts of places and not easy to find for others, but also for me. Sometimes I stumble upon photos and I always love seeing your folds. So I thought I'd try to bring it all together in one place. Someone had suggested Reddit, so the last month I explored it and tried it out and decided yes, this was something I wanted to give a go. So you can head over there now. I have already set up some flares which let you tag photos by models, and I'll be adding more models as we go along. And just because it's already set up, I figured it would be great to also give you a platform to submit suggestions for future videos. So you can suggest a video, maybe a model, and then give the designer and where there's perhaps diagrams or some sort of instructions. And then others can upvote it, and when I'm looking for new models to present in videos, I'm going to check that Reddit and also take into consideration which of the suggestions are most popular. So I think that could be a really nice way of us all connecting more, and you also giving more input into where this channel goes. You could of course also suggest other kinds of videos. So I may also actually revive the Your Origami Folds series, depending on how many photos are submitted and also how much time I have. So if you do want to contribute your photo to the Your Origami Folds series, simply add YOF to the title, and there will be a comment added that shows you exactly what you need to post so that I have permission to use your photo in a video. So I think that's pretty much it. I hope you're all doing really well. These are definitely interesting times, but I'm loving that, we are making the best of it and connecting in other ways. And I hope this is yet another way that will be great now, but also in the future when things hopefully get somewhat back to normal. So with that, I wish you all very happy folding, and do share your folds with me because I always love seeing them. Until then, bye bye.